still slicing cables by hand. There is a smarter way that we can do, introducing the automated specimen preparation system, and it is designed for testing the cables. Compliant with IS 10810 and compliant with IS 7098 also. Here is how it works. Step by step. First, load your cable into the machine, and then no manual measuring needed, no manual marking needed. Next, select your test requirements on the touch screen given. Proset standards and IS 10810. Preset the standard that you need, that is IS 7098 as well. Hit the start and machine will start automatically. It strips your cable specimen. It shapes your cable specimen in different shapes with precision every single time. No more uneven edges, wasted samples. That's real magic. It's fast, it's repeatable, and so your lab can prep into your samples in less time with fewer errors. Built-in safety features keeps your team protected throughout the process. Consistent, reliable cable testing and lot of manual work. The automated specimen preparation system is a total game changer, ready to upgrade your lab.